I'm sure you've heard the news. Your PS5 can look even better. No, it's not a cheat code, just a few easy settings. Let's dial those graphics up to 11. First things first, grab your controller and head to Settings. Tap on Screen and Video. Make sure resolution is set to automatic. If your TV supports it, flip VRR and 120Hz output to automatic too. That's like giving your games a turbo boost. Got HDR? Set it to on when supported for those eye-popping colors. Now for the real gamer move, Game Presets. In Settings, pick Save Data and Game App Settings. Choose Performance Mode for buttery smooth action or Resolution Mode if you want every pixel to shine. Remember, some games let you tweak graphics in their own menus, so poke around. Last step, TV time. Turn on Game Mode for super fast response. Drop sharpness to 0. Keep brightness and contrast around 50%. Disable any weird stuff like motion smoothing or noise reduction. And if your TV loves HDR, follow the PS5's calibration tool. Boom! Your games are now flexing their best graphics. Go ahead, admire those pixels.